Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your personal injury protection with Geico detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your personal injury protection, start by visiting the Geico website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Register button to create a new one. Navigate to the Insurance tab in the main menu. Select Auto Insurance from the drop-down options. Look for the section labeled Coverage Options. Click on Personal Injury Protection to view your current coverage details. To make changes, select the Edit button next to your personal injury protection coverage. Review the options available for upgrading your coverage. Consider factors such as medical expenses and wage loss when choosing your new limits. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue to proceed. Review the updated coverage details and any changes in your premiums. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button to finalize your upgrade. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after your upgrade is processed. If you have any questions during the process, use the chat feature for immediate assistance. For any discrepancies or additional changes, contact Geico customer service directly. Make sure to keep a copy of your policy for your records. Monitor your email for future updates regarding your coverage. Regularly review your personal injury protection to ensure it meets your needs. That concludes the process of upgrading your personal injury protection with Geico. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.